So question 6. If this is our vector and it's normal to the plane containing these 3 points, what is the value of k? So in order to do this, we're going to take what we know about using vectors in 3-dimensional planes. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to picture what these little points look like. So if you're thinking about this at the moment, here is point P, over here, point R, and point Q. Q, R. So there's the 3 little points that I've got. Okay, so we know what the normal is, and we know the 3 points. We just have to find out what K is. So I do know that to find the normal to a plane, all I need to do is find P to Q and multiply it, or the cross product of P to R. And then that will give me the normal to the plane. So I know that the normal is going to be 1, -2, 1. P to Q. So when I'm determining what the vector is from P to Q, remember I've got a point here, P. I've got a point over here, Q. So to find the vector that goes from P to Q, I need to reverse the direction of P. So the calculation that I need to do is minus P plus Q. Now in this case, P is all zeros, so I'll just end up with 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then I'm going to times that by, we're going to have the same thing when we do P to R. So we'll still reverse the direction of P, but that's just going to leave us with these ones here. So it's going to be 2K and 4. Now, I'm not sure if you could use Solvan to do this in your calculator. I assume that you probably could. I'm just going to do it manually today. So 1, -2, 1. Now, I don't remember the formula for how to do this, but your formula sheet tells you how to do this anyway, so you don't need to remember it. So if you're not sure how to do it, look at your formula sheet now. But when I'm cross-producting these, this is the calculation that I get. So it will become, where is my little piece of paper? 4, 5, 3, bracket, 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 minus, minus, minus. And then we're going to have 5, 3, 4, bracket, bracket, bracket. I find it easier to do it like this just because that way I'm less likely to make mistakes. Now I'm going to fill in the B, so it starts with B3 is 4, B1 is 2, K on the bottom. The next one, B2 is K, B3 is 4, and that makes that one a 2. So now I can simplify this expression that I've got here, which is going to be 16 minus 5K is equal to 1. 10 minus 12 is equal to -2. So that statement there is correct. And then I've got 3K minus 6. Okay. So now I'm going to work out what each of these are equal to. So remember, it's equal to what's on this side. So that should be equal to 1, -2, and 1. So now I'm going to look at each statement individually. 1 is equal to 16 minus 5K. Take the 16 across first. That'll become minus 15 equals minus 5K. Take the minus 5 across. I'll be left with 3 is equal to K. So your answer is C. You could use the other one to check as well. If I'd done 1 is equal to 3K minus 6, then it would work out. I think I've made, yes, that should be an 8 there, not a 6, which means that should be an 8. So when I take this across, it will become 9 is equal to 3K, which will be K is equal to 3.